Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to this video in the Rotary tool series. This video I'm going to be showing you hopefully an item that you've never seen before that was put out for Dremel. It's only on the market for a couple of years. It's a very good quality item, but it didn't sell very well in the stores. So if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment in the section below or shoot me an email at scrollsawvideo@gmail.com. Appreciate it you subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up below. Thanks. Okay, here is the Dremel jigsaw attachment. You'll notice that it comes in the Dremel colors, the gray and the black. This is a very sturdy, well-built accessory. I'm going to describe this the best I can. Let's see here. We'll start on this end. It has a foot that will swivel according to your needs as you're cutting. Rubber grip handle. It has airflow holes on each side. On this end is where you attach it to your Dremel. Deep inside here there's a cable. It's a short piece. It's similar to what's on the flex shaft. Let's see if I can get, there you go, you can see it right in there. It's similar to what's on the flex shaft, which is a motorcycle accelerator cable. But this one's a little bit stronger than the one that's in the flex shaft. If I'm correct, this one does not flex at all. It's just a permanent shaft that just spins. Okay, on this side, well, excuse me, yes, there is a screw that you would use an Allen wrench to put in your blades. If you'll note on the inside of this right here, you'll see two little things right here. That is for, this will only fit on the model 4000 Dremels that has the, just one second here, take these off. Okay, these model 4000 Dremels, right here you'll see that there's two notches cut out, one on each side. Now this will fit, these notches will hold this accessory in place, such as this, so you'll know you have it lined up perfectly. Okay, to attach this, the kit comes with one of these accessory nuts. Now the middle of the accessory nut, there's a square hole, and that will hold the thing that's in the center here, that's sticking out. There you go, you can see it right there. That will fit into the square hole. So we're going to put this on first. There we go. Doesn't have to be super tight, but just tightening it by finger is fine. I'm going to line up this and put it on like it should fit. This way right here. There we go. Tighten this up. You're hooked up to the Dremel. Very easy process. Here's an overall view. There's this side. Okay, I'm going to put in the jigsaw blades. Now this jigsaw accessory will accept the T-shank and the U-shank jigsaws. It's universal for each kind. So we're just going to, I'm going to loosen up this screw a little bit. There we go. Now you'll notice on here, this little bar right here, you want to put the smooth side of the blade to that bar. Push it in all the way, such as this. Then we'll tighten it up. Tighten it up with this Allen screw, this Allen wrench. Okay, you'll notice how this foot will move. I showed you this earlier. So let me plug this in. I'm going to show you how smooth it is. Just one second. Okay, here we go. Not too bad. Very comfortable to use. So I'm going to get a piece of wood and hold it down with my vise down here, and we're going to show you how smooth this cuts. Just one second, I'll adjust the camera and be right back with you. Okay, I have this piece of pine clamped down to my work table here. I'm going to show you how easy this is to cut. Let me slide this back a little bit here. So I'm going to put on my safety glasses. And since I'm standing on the back side of this, it's going to be a little bit harder for me to operate, but I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm going to turn it on. You can either hold it this way, hold it this way, whichever way you prefer, whichever's comfortable. Cuts very easily. Tighten this down a little bit more. There you go, you can see these cuts into this wood. Very easily made. Now, I wouldn't recommend using this in a hardwood such as an oak or even something that's harder. But in stuff like pine and maybe some soft maples and poplar, this should be a good tool to use. I don't know how expensive it is. I believe when I got this one it was around $30. I think they're much more than that now, if you can find them. I did see some on eBay. So how would I rate this? I would give this a 7 out of 10 as far as a nice little compact tool. Appreciate you leaving me your thoughts on this. Appreciate you watching. Have a good day, and please subscribe to the video and give me a thumbs up below. Thanks.